Hello, everyone. I welcome you to Daily Thoughts Commentary today. Our topic today is the recipe of success. The recipe of success. Our key verse is Nehemiah chapter 2, verse 20, and it says, Then answered I them and said unto them, The God of heaven, he will prosper us. Therefore we his servants will arise and build, but ye have no portion, nor right, nor memorial in Jerusalem. Our thought for today is faith and focus are escape routes from failure. Faith and focus are escape routes from failure. Our text today teaches us two vital lessons: Nehemiah's unwavering, unshakable faith and trust in God, and Nehemiah's focus in mobilizing God's people in rebuilding the city of Jerusalem in the midst of opposition and mockery. Nehemiah's disposition shows that instead of being carried away by opinions of people, we should rather put our faith in God and remain focused in doing what we need to do at all times. In life, failure is a choice. In other words, you don't fail because that was all you could do, but you failed only because you chose to fail. This is to say, whatever you are trusting that God will do for you, He will do it if you can remain focused and trust Him wholeheartedly. No one fails without a cause. Many a times, the reason why people fail in life can be traced down to their lack of faith and focus in what they are called to do. Like I said earlier, failure is a choice. But when you are tired of failing, you must increase your faith in God and focus your attention on whatever you are called to do. Because faith and focus are the recipe for success in life and whatever you are doing and what you need to do. This is the end of our Daily Thoughts Commentary. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you tomorrow, and God bless you.